All over Jamaica, there are ruins from the colonial era, relics of a time that shaped our history. These historic sites, from slave plantation ruins to aqueducts and water wheels, tell stories of our past that many of us never learned in school. As we explore these places, we must ask ourselves, should these sites be preserved and maintained for future generations? Now, I want to mention that some of these videos are from 5 or 6 years ago, so the quality might not be 100%. Also, some of the information might have changed over time. However, there are other videos on the channel with updated information. These videos, however, are mainly to showcase the ruins and their historical significance. Now we're at the Fonthill entrance. We're about to head up into Fonthill because that's where we have to drive to get to Palmetto River. And remember, I told you that it is a forgotten city. Alright, so this is gonna be a major find for elite Jamaica and for all of y'all. I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
Let's go, Ledena.
What?
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.
Blessed family. You know, a place with some old building there on the side there. We're supposed to be close because I see it on the map.
Yeah, down on the bottom.
I hold it for them, right?
Yes.
Alright. It's either we take that road going up there or we take this one going down there. I'm not really sure which one to take. So, right now, and the farmer gone. But, yeah, I think we're supposed to take a left turn for you. So, we'll go that way. We pick that way. Peeps, type in the comment section which one of these road we're supposed to take. The left or the right. And me tell you guys who win when we find the structures. Alright, so this is a old city where I go find peeps. Come in and follow me.
Guys, at this moment we were right in the vicinity of the buildings and didn't even see them. However, we found them afterwards. Continue watching, peeps. Remember to subscribe.
I don't
to
even
Elite
remember
Jamaica.
if a Palmetto River or Palmetto Spring. But I want to know the two. Please remind me, guys, in the comment section below if it's Palmetto River or Palmetto Spring. You have to look for construction like these. We'll find one of the house them. Peeps, we'll find one of the house them. At least remains of one of the house them. I know I see something over there, so a piece over there, so please. Come closer and get that. The whole concrete wall. This place feel haunted as hell. Whoa. Yo. Hold on, I used to better than move. Why broke the top? And look, if I know concrete that concrete that I no matter how much wire they don't make. Concrete over there.
skull leg there now.
On what? On what?
A skull.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of skull?
Man.
Hmm?
Man.
You see it for sure?
Mm-hmm.
Go video it. Like one body?
Mm-hmm. Come on.
No man, you video that.
Go over there now.
Right there, right there, sir?
Alright. Over there, me a swell, you know.
Eh?
Me a swell.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Your head?
Mm-hmm.
Let me the camera. So I smarted that right there, so lay down.
Look so.
Let me the camera and press up to them people. I smarted lay down?
Yeah. Look so.
I one of the worst thing.
Oh God.
Look like we find a dead body, peeps. Trevor, go over there, go see our work, cause me not go over there. Me not smell no scent, but him say him see a skull on it. Look to me like somebody lay down over there for true, peeps. And if that's the case, me no know. I want to find Palmetto River, they house them, but if that's the case, I'm gonna be leaving. Alright? So, yeah. I live for a long time.
You shot me go over there now.
Walk up there, sir. Watch out, this stick can stretch out, you know. Stretch out this stick right over there. Instead of you go over there. Stretch this stick. Keeps in the name of forward, you know.
Can't say more and see you so. More see, no, see from you so. Right? Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm gonna get you. Yeah. Check it out. It's a record, man. Please. You want to say that? Don't stop inside from right here. Inside you. You're hiding from me? You're hiding from me. You're coming?
Huh?
You're coming with me?
No.
Why?
Now watch the road here. It's not the best, I'm gonna walk on the road. That's good. That's good?
Boy.
Come, film it, come on.
No, pick it up. Pick it up. I don't pick it up on it.
You know, pick it up.
No. I take it off right now and see it.
I know what Trevor just see, but I now go over the peeps and like I go review the video as soon as we go on and edit and so I'm sticking out the video. But trust me peeps, my art now give me to go over this, so I'm not used to stuff like those. I mean, yeah, so right now I'm kind of wonder if we take the right road. I swear, I wonder if we take the right road, please. Because from my calculation and from the map, I'm not supposed to be going so far in search of the buildings. with it already the inner the vicinity. So we should have see the structure them, and there are lots of them. It's like a large complex. So there's no way we should have missed them and reached so far. So what I do, I check them up, and if I so be the case, I turn back and go up on the next road.
Go around, come on.
Alright. Trevor said I could go on the come on.
Go around, come on.
Yeah. Shout him. I don't think of the right road this still, peeps. I think we're up on the wrong road. So I go right down, you see them cupboard there? I go right down to the crossing there and then turn back and go up on the other road, because I don't think at the correct place. We should have been seeing the buildings already, because I whole heap of them, water wheel, house, everything. So we only see one little bit of piece of construction on that, and I really nothing for sure say like the structures were there. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go this far and then turn back and go up the hill and go up on the other road. So peeps, at the 2 away, I talked to the man a while ago now. None of we don't remember if the man say right or left. Alright, that's if we all of this, you know. We wouldn't have to walk from so far down here, so I didn't have to turn back. And I tell you, hey, look over this, because I'm not go over there, you know, that me I tell you, you know. Yeah peeps, so we reach back up on the road now, reach back at the intersection and right at the next road. Alright, so I come from down there, so I will go up there so now. Alright, so you follow me. I hope so at the correct road this. Alright.
Yes, my brother. Yes, sir. Where the video?
Yeah, man. Now look for some old slave structure with the road in there.
You know that here? No, cool, so we name it.
Yes, my brother. No, yeah, no.
Spring and Palmetto River.
Palmetto. Oh, you have passed the one the river, we go to across road there, you know. When not did that again?
Go down from the road there.
Go this way?
Down.
No more.
Yeah. I'm come back and go down.
No, we're not there, say, no.
Where?
We out of cross now, so, but them in the bridge and them, I'm a canoe one, you know.
No, man, not the bridge, man.
Oh.
It's a slavery structure, water wheel. Plantation.
At the bridge name, so?
Yeah, the river name, so.
No, it's a bridge name, so. Palmetto River. Palmetto River. Yeah, me know what you say.
Have a map of where.
My mind tell you what you say, you know. So where you find that now?
It's somewhere down in that section.
Down, so?
Yeah, I'm not sure up on the road there. Go down. Can I go way up on the road there? You come back up and go around.
Yeah.
Me have to park one on the front.
Yeah. Me see you on the thing at video
man,
enough time, man.
Sure,
Yeah, man, congrats, man. Yeah, man, all over the world.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, I really want to find that structure.
Yeah. You know. So it look like? You know, Fontaine Baptist Church, eh? Down at the square where the post office, eh? All right. Right where the Baptist Church, it just on the left hand side there. Our whole slavery building that way. Yes, man, right where the Baptist Church, man. You got this already?
Yeah, man, I do a video on this.
Oh, you probably a green guy, but right next square, me talking on. Right. No, right next square itself. You know the carrot house and call it. Some pipe, and right in the square. When you reach at the intersection, there, you turn right to go up Davison and turn left to come this way. Yeah, so right in the square, you have a building there. It's an agriculture store, the little agriculture store.
And them building there, because watch out. You see, you see that Y is like a Y road, right?
Yeah.
And you know, take that one day, take that.
Yeah.
You from just right there, so the structure them supposed to start with, because it's a whole settlement.
Yeah.
Supposed to, the one them on the kings and left would have been back.
Oh, back this side.
The water wheel supposed to walk this side.
Yes. A right hand Baptist church, man. The area where the water wheel was between the two rocks there, so the right hand church.
Okay.
Yeah, man. The stone them did the same, and the church itself built on a curved thing like this, and there must have some fire or something. I don't remember what exactly was under there. But if you go, you can see the shape. The stones them still did there, arch. And the Baptist church, right behind the Baptist church at the top, you have one big stone wall and another big stone, and the water wheel was used to be inside as well.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So peeps,
right now agriculture
that's
store.
where we're heading to right now. So hopefully at the right building. Alright, so follow me. Yeah, peeps, so we get some information and seems we're about to get some more information as to find instructors. So yeah, so follow me.
You know, but you're still in one piece. You're still in one piece. I'm at Nathan. Nathan sick in a bed? You can't do what? You can't do? You can't see? Judge. Slave. The slave. The slave rebuilding them. Don't go over there, so. Don't back here, so.
You know, so the name there is something out of crossroad, you know, my name.
No, man. Don't remember good job. When we used to go run for, I would have walk up on that side over here for front of my Nathan. Our tractor
Give me a direction, like, okay, I'm up here look for you.
Yeah, map him a look on, but he don't know something there.
Yeah. So where you look for down this, you know?
Oh, stone wall.
Yeah. And what place where you look for? And wait. Yeah. Yes, that's all again, because you see them mash it down. And yeah, man, you can't pass. I don't see it. You have to go look for it. When you reach right down, right, like, up here, go down there.
Papa, where Papa Mas Nathan? He don't know nowhere down there.
When they find it,
Them are strange.
I'll tell you where you belong. You see, when you reach there, and you see the coconut tree, they will stand up. And you see the property side there, so right there, so. You don't see like one going to work in this one. But you put it in the bush. The man live right there.
That's Nathan?
Yeah.
Oh.
You think that I have also? Come and
Yeah.
the rich have a chest also.
The wall.
It's a mark, so. But you may be the right sideways, so now. So
Yeah,
push go right round.
Yeah.
So I don't really want to see.
Yeah, just one piece there.
When we know it, and I know from bulldozer book them way. Play with them, but he left that one there. Play with the whole structure, but he left that one and not trouble that one. So that one will not tell the details of what you talk about them.
I would just want to find it to get to document it, you understand?
Yeah, man. You know, see him on the internet, on TV. Yeah, man.
Oh, this
All,
one?
yeah, man.
know
All
what
of them
Steve, you know,
places.
listen to you,
You find them places, man.
You know, but I will just, you know.
All across Mount Ida. This is Mount Ida one.
You
this
find
is
them,
Mount
but
Ida
it's all we get somebody to walk with him.
Yes.
Yeah,
I know the name them and everything we marks.
Yeah,
Because when me tell you, say, me never know said that name the way on
Yeah,
the bush. So
yeah.
I saw him and the name where he did in there. That means I want all man did in there take away bone out of it.
Palmetto. That should have been the last name of the people, them, guys.
Oh,
Them are some red people.
yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the grave they do up in, because remember, say, yeah, you're frightened to go over there, because then say,
you
they
know.
come take
You
away the
go
people,
far
them
in
and
document,
carry
this is
them.
And left it
road
open.
across the road, they down there.
Yeah.
I hit name some. Me no know it about that. Me no
Palmetto
want to
River.
know use it round here.
They should have been Syrian. You have Palmetto River and Palmetto Spring.
Yes.
With name Palmetto Bridge, Palmetto
That's
River.
the one where crash
dry
road, where you
river.
tell me say the something broke up.
Yes.
And me I tell us a building should have built pan there,
Yeah.
because the time when they take fear got broke down that way did it from way back
Slavery,
when.
slavery.
Paula tell me about it, I come around and say tractor mash up. And them have to
The
send for one other
excavator,
one.
man. The excavator. They sit.
Excavator, mash up
Yeah.
the real.
Which one? Where part? Over
What
there?
a
Yeah,
cross
if you
road.
pass
When they
crash
lick
road,
down
the
driver.
river where they right up little bit topside this one. There's something
Yeah,
they
yeah,
did
man,
there
that
from-
driver.
Where bridge? Where to fall down in the river?
No, this is something what I use as scrape out some mash up, man. So them have to send for another one. Hey, cause that damage and mash up. Yeah. The stone, this stone that the old stave
what
stone
we
them
have
where
to
they might go
do,
out of the river.
return where
Put
we
the
just
little
come
concrete.
from.
Yeah.
We'll go further
Yeah, man,
down
then
and see
think
if
that
we
fasten
can
down so till it
find the building. Now
tackle
we're
the
hearing that
machine the back.
it's only a small piece that's
Yeah,
left.
because you see,
So
too,
we
me
must
know
find
what I
it.
said.
It
Ah,
tough.
then
If not,
some of them
we're
look
going to
on
take
the
them
ground.
to the other
Listen, man.
location You can see all of
How
it.
far down it digging now?
Yes,
Just
man.
pitch it over.
Yeah.
We'll move on.
All right. Take care, brethren.
Blessings.
All the best, sir.
All right.
To the new year.
Yeah, man.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Bless up.
Bless up, man.
So, I don't so Bunny Lane.
I can see from half of the road.
Not really.
Oh, so
Not really. You'd have to go in.
is that like a house or something?
No, not really a house, but like some. Yeah, like you can just say, well, one
Because
building.
That me I
in
look
there.
for. How far down? I pass. Alright, I tell him I go down there already now. I go as far as up and I just want tractor park up in our little place.
Oh.
And I go down a little more to one corner and turn back. I pass there, sir.
No. Which part me I tell you about right now, not really passes, but yeah, one next part of passes, but that
That
kind
would
of
be
dumb.
Buckingham.
Eh?
That would be Buckingham.
Yeah,
Buckingham
man.
Estate.
All I saw Buckingham.
Alright, so that be Buckingham Estate down there, so.
Mm.
Alright, so how far is it there? Come I go back down there now. Come by the man. One man wanna saw it is about them saying sick in a bed, is it?
No.
You don't remember him name. So,
Oh, time, if I mean time.
no, not time. Right at the yard one there, so man. The first yard right there, so.
Mm.
How far is it the one down yesterday?
I'm not too far, no. Call it about 1.5 chain.
2.5 chain. I don't know about them something this day, but I walk go back down there.
You know what is in business.
No. That's something I can see. Like if I walk go down, I can know, say, well, I can see it.
Yeah, man, I suppose you can see it, but you'd have to come off of the road, like the road is. You come off of the road a little bit and go like back over this, like with them over this.
Oh, one track there.
I really truck, you know, but I know in place where you have to, you know, gully and then something where you have to go in. You understand what I mean?
And when I reach down upon like grass, like on hillside, up on a tree, and then the grass grow up on the hillside. Eh?
No, man.
And that's so far. Come on. That's where they have. Go down there already, you know, but this man frightened me because I'm looking at this and saying, so I stole you. And my head must up like the same.
Man skull?
Yeah.
Kind skull.
Man skull.
You know,
Eh?
Man
Man
skull.
skull?
Go me and review the video and see. You said that you might start to come after them place that you have not come and send to possibly do. I'm sure they will come out in place there.
I know man skull is it.
You want to talk like that, I have to do that thing. You want to video them, though, no?
I'm cafe.
You want to video them, no?
Yeah, we did them.
Yeah. I'm going to pop a wall on them place.
I never really see. Like come on TV.
YouTube.
Oh, I never really go on YouTube.
Is it more than yourself?
These them on the rob.
And then through this money go tell me that yes. Tips. We find it. Like we find it. How fast it all I never see it. I don't know. Hey, respect the elder. Tips, this should be where the water wheel was. The water mill supposed to be there because them always build what them have inside and can build aqueduct. But down so they can spread the water.
Yeah.
So the rest of the house them supposed to be over the side. One single house step on the side. Because when I look on the road, on the map, you have the road coming down. One single house which are the great house that are on the side. Yeah. And then the rest of the building them, the slave resident them the down here side, the water will up. Yeah. So keep this a part of the structure. Meanwhile you have to take some picture. Remember to take the picture, no? Just keep the picture about this. Just keep that and take the picture. Yeah, Ella, so what's your name? Turn the camera on. What's your name, Ella?
Yeah, man, they call me Sugar, you know.
Sugar.
Yeah, man.
People, type Sugar in the comment section below. Anybody know Sugar, shout him out, alright?
Yeah.
Say thanks to Sugar Peeps and type thanks in the comment section below. Yeah, man, we'll find where we are looking for peeps. Like, you know, I'm excited right now.
Let's see.
Now look over here. So
That's right, man.
That one.
That's right.
The peeps who actually passed this just now. Yeah, peeps. So this was actually the water mill where the water wheel would be. However, due to the looks of this, peeps, I'm not sure if we're gonna find any remains of a water wheel, or if we even can differentiate the buildings that were here. Alright. Surprising thing, me in the bush now, so I never dare come in the bush because this man find a skull. However, we found this, we have found this, so we've got to get this documented. Alright, so here, please. This is the actual building that, well, one of the buildings that we are looking for. So Ella, that means more the down further, though? In a bush there, though? Far down, though? In a bush there? I know, man, because 4 of them supposed to over the side there, you know. That's on the map, when I look on the map, 4 houses over on the side there. Yeah. So peeps, there are more buildings down there, but we're not going to get a chance to go down there. And I'm not really sure if we're going to find it. It would be like, it would make no sense to go down there and don't find anything. And from the looks of these peeps, it really look away.
Give back one more. Give back one more.
No, man. You want one of it?
One part right on the side.
Don't have this one.
Them like one of the slave masters, the thing there.
Okay.
Yeah, like a tomb, like did the same.
One tomb like a slave master tomb?
Yeah. So,
okay.
If you see them, you can't start to get right when you say right one.
Oh, for them land?
Yeah, right one.
Oh. So I go
The slave master.
the slave master tomb peeps, so that should be Mr. Palmetto. So we'll see if we can talk to them and see if we can get access to the property and see that tomb.
Yeah,
we really want to say thank you to Sugar and one.
Yeah.
Is it? And we have to come back in Sugar. Well, Funtil?
Yeah, man,
Funtil. Alright. Yeah, you can check out the video them, you know, Elite Jamaica. Ask anyone here family member them to show you the video them, alright? Because, well, them are going to tell about that one here still, you know. Them are going to tell about that one here. So, yeah, peeps, we found a part of the building and I guess there should be piece up there where I'm going to look up there so I find the next piece, and then I'm going to see if I see the guys driving this tractor to see if I can get access to the property down there. Blessings, Zelda.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you know me though? Make the video them over Trintyville. Hold this. Sorry about the car. Now look for, oh, you find the building now. The elder does something more so you want to do. You can work over this. You can contact the store. Bless up earlier. That's what we passed a while ago. We passed from left side now for the traffic the park, you know.
Why me and I look up on the grave?
No, we want to see the grave so we can, because we find the building already, you see. It's the building over there, so one did up on the side, 4 on the side, plus a water wheel. That's like a map, you know, you see. So the grave down there should be a whole cemetery. But the owner for the whole place, Mr. Palmetto, he's supposed to be buried down there, so. So we just want to see the grave to document it. Yes, yeah, about my video them. We got copper wall and all of them place over Mount Ida, up on Mr. McGrath to find a water wheel in a working condition up to Mr. McGrath. We just document Jamaican history, is it? So there and then we can know really how people used to treat you back then, the way how we used to live, because enough things that them say or like them the slave forefathers make them build. Enough of them things are things that them come see and take it down, is it? And say, well, let me force it to make it like they done the day, is it? Because the more is a black people and the more is building construction and mathematics and them things and business first.
So this man is our white man.
That man should be a Syrian in a red
Syrian.
man.
Yeah, because the name, the stone did it and the white did it.
Alright, so we're going to have to see that to get the document.
Sure.
Yeah, Pete. This is one of the graves then. Actually, I have trees growing out of it.
Yeah.
And that's the other one. Oh, the next one a better condition.
Mm-hmm.
This is the other one. Whoa. What? Sorry about my language, Pete. Like, we haven't never ever found anything like
this one.
Before in the history of our expeditions. Never. So peeps, this is actually, so they said that this man should have been Syrian. Yeah peeps, this is not like what me da expect to see. How much percent this? Let me see if I can plug off this. So guys, that's the grave of Mr. Palmetto, and we haven't ever found anything like this before. No, them are not the one them all clean out.
We don't chop out and because there's one next little old man where there's one next little old.
So them take out him body out of it?
We don't know.
What that?
Out of this?
We don't think so. No man, he in the man.
Oh, so me see it broke up some.
No, are the tree man and the wisdom will grow here man.
Oh. Yeah, no. Where there? Now walk that side, because I run us a kind of.
I will drop off it.
Peeps. Alright, that's the grave of the wife. The wife grave that?
Supposed to, you know.
Okay, this should be the wife's grave. May I come around that side? May I walk this side? Run around this side. Okay. The wisdom and the witch them, you don't know the things that my people come at them place to come do, you know. You see the headstone?
Oh, so there's right on it. But the headstone in there.
Alright, so people, sometimes when we get information, sometimes we actually get wrong information. We have to find the proper information, because this does not look like Palmetto on the gravestone. McKinnon. Now come on that side, this look like Roderick, something on there.
Yeah man, Roderick, I suppose to Roderick.
Guys, and you see how the grave look from the side. This was painted in black in a piece.
July the 27th. Is there one idea of a cut out and something?
Not take for a long time, so we have to go and clean him up. Clean him up, nothing give him some money. Go on, set him up, you know.
Come here.
Oh,
what up?
no man,
No man, that's good one.
Writing gone.
Yeah man, you don't have to go so far.
headstone here.
Like him wife the name Julia or something.
No, the 27th of July.
Oh.
July, see that? July. And this look like our end.
You're not ready here. Guys, this is one of the rather great finds. So I never know so them thing at the point, you never know so them thing at the point, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we say there, man.
Yeah, man, we know that. Yeah, man.
And if the next little old man way up a yard there, he could have me all tell us,
One little old man, them say him sick in a bed.
you know, so, yeah.
The 18, what, 18,
1812.
Alright. Some more did bury over
So,
part over, so
when watching this
you
video,
know.
Carbon, check out this Roderick Mackinon or Mackinon. Mackenzie. McCain. Them spell out the Mac.
Yeah, McCain.
McCain.
C-A-N-A.
C-A-N-A? Macana.
Mac. And this look like our. Yeah, McCain.
M-A-C-K-A-N.
N-E.
N-E, McCain. Alright, Carbon, so please, may I beg you, look up this to me. Roderick McCain died on the 27th of July, 1812. Alright. He was actually the owner of the Palmetto River plantation. And this is his grave. This is one of the greatest finds that we've ever made. The grave of the painting of black. This man was a wicked man, you know.
So come to okay.
This is a wicked man.
Why you say it's a wicked man?
Huh?
I see him now.
He was a slave master. He was a slave master.
The wife.
The wife, that. That's why when he say, I said, them one another one them will fix up still.
Huh?
I said, that's why I tell him, say, this another one them will fix up.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, so that's the resting place of Roderick McCain, who died on the 27th of July 1812. Alright, and you see the style of grave when buried. You know wealth that show you just the style, and it withstand everything. It withstand the elements up until this day. Alright, so yeah, I really want to thank you all for joining us. It's really a pleasure having you all here. You know, that really helped the channel tremendously. So peeps, today we are on our way to a place called Stanton in St. Thomas. Some people call it Stanton. Alright, not Stanton Terrace, Stanton Plantation and Great House. Alright, yeah man, there's the Great House there. There is a windmill tower or a sugar mill tower. I'm not sure which one of those towers are there, but there's a tower there. Also other slave relics. Yeah man, now this plantation was owned by Mr. William Beckford of the Beckford clan. You know, the Beckfords were the richest sugar planters in Jamaica at that time, in their time. Alright, Mr. Beckford was born in 1704. He got the place from his grandfather. And I give you information about that on screen. And guess what? We're now at the main. We walk on one of the slavery road them. Go all the way across St. Thomas, go over in Stanton. Alright, I know we are leave from Need and Pen. Walking just now, my uncle said, look on the wall there. And I look and turn them here because it look like blocks. But then I realize it's pre-colonial construction.
So I'm gonna show you that, guys. Alright? Yeah, guys, so this is the construction, guys. And as you notice, these are not blocks, these are stones. Yeah, guys. By the time I edit, I'm supposed to have information about this, even though I think it's just one of the works yard on the Nuts River plantation, because we're actually still on the compound of the Nuts River plantation. So this could definitely be just a works yard right here. As you notice that this is a very old wall. We're actually in a somebody yard now still, peeps, but we'll get to go ahead to film. Yeah, guys, so crazy large building, guys. You know, there's something over here also. It's a well. There's a well here, guys. Yeah, well lined with brick. So this was actually part of the Nuts River plantation. This could have been a roadside or just a water area. So this is a well right here, guys. So I'm gonna take a pic of this. Alright. Yeah, guys, so that's it. There's another piece of wall out here. I'm gonna show you that up. Yeah, guys, so as you notice, this one was not refurbished at no time. This is still the original construction. Yeah. Oh, me? I'm not filming the 100 foot. Yeah, guys. So I'm not gonna go any further, guys, because I'm actually on someone's property, but I'm gonna get the information for this site and give you all the information. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, guys, this is the outside. And as you notice, this is a rather old wall. I just street paint up and things. So you see, these structures, if we were actually preserving these historical structures, they would have stayed, you know? Yeah, guys. So we'll move on now, guys, to the Stanton plantation. So this. I would say that this is relics of an old hospital. Yeah. Watch the camera. This is relics of an old hospital. So this maybe would have been an entranceway right here, a step, or stairs leading up, but it was arched in design. Would have been an entrance. Right. Yeah, guys, interesting, and it's old. Old enough, and that's the rest of it. Our wall is up there also. This, I don't know about this, guys, but this looks to me like what is up name? What is up name? What is up name? I type it on the screen, guys. I don't know what I talk. The thing where they're in Jerusalem and them places, but it has silver up on the top of it. Sometimes I use it to generate electricity also. But beside this, there's also a wall here. And it could be a high chimney too, you know, guys. You know? I'm gonna like assume there's a wall right here beside it too, guys. You know? So, let me know what you think this is. If it's a chimney or if it's an obelisk. Alright. I don't think we build obelisk in Jamaica still, but this big. So, can it go on over there? I'll go over there. Where is it over there? The piece of building where you get a bad feeling?
No, man,
oh.
Next I want to take it from. So, Alex, what do you think this is?
One chimney.
Chimney?
Yeah, cause we don't think, we soon find out. We don't think we do obelisk out here, no?
What is obelisk?
Hey guys, so my memory card got corrupted yesterday. Not sure what happened to it. I tried to reformat it, but it now works. So you know me up on limited space until me actually get back one of those. Alright, so this is another part of a building that's right here. This look like a one tower, did I second it? No, tower on a square. But it looked like a tower still. It could have built different. There, guys. You know. Yeah, peeps. So I'm not sure what this was. Look at me, some entrance on it. Entrance, did it?
Entrance line?
Yeah, guys, so that's the entrance. And that's up in the top. Not sure what is up there. Alright. It's gone all the way up. Yeah, man, guys, now run out of storage space. Still I try to get some more footage. Yeah, guys, so my phone just ran out of storage, so I use my uncle phone. Yeah, man, so we're on our way up to see a slavery water system that was built on the, what again? The Stanton plantation. Now the great house for the Stanton plantation has been pushed down. You know, this property is owned by Mr. Matalan. You know, and yes, so I just thought we see, and now we have to see this water catchment. Alright, so yeah, man, we're going up the hills. Okay, so guys, even right here we still see a piece of the wall, that no peeps?
You see every wall.
Right round in our circle?
Yeah. Right up with the
We've got this, guys.
Yeah.
So I said this was a, what this was? This was a catchment?
Yeah, one time rainfall used to food come right up here. It deep on this.
Okay, okay.
Over trees and like,
Yeah, guys, let me give you perspective on this. Alright, so this is the walls, guys. Yeah, man, how are your name again?
Byron.
Shout out to Byron in a piece. Type Byron in the comment section below if you appreciate what Byron is doing for us. As you notice, this going around in our circle in a peeps. We take a picture.
Yeah, this is the real and something stone.
Yeah,
This is the understanding. You big on this. Huh? And this become more things there.
So guys, as he's saying, this wall, as you notice over there, guys, that's the same wall over there, and it goes all the way around. Can you get your phone film good enough?
Yeah.
Like this, I have to start use. Yeah, guys, it goes all the way around. And it adjusts, the phone adjusts properly.
Huh?
It adjusts to the temperature properly. I wanna do it. Yeah, guys, so this is rather a great find again. Yeah, man. But you know me good jump over the wall and go down in there, don't you?
No, I make a walk the mountain.
Oh, the mountain there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a white man,
White lime.
See what I'm walking? You vanish it. And that's it,
Let me show you this from right around. Alright, so this is one end, guys. And it goes all the way around.
Alright, General. This thing out the back too. Big yo. You come right going on.
All the way around. This goes all the way around, guys. This was huge. This was huge, peeps. This was huge.
And this make me rich, you know. What? Yeah.
I met my son and his old brother and his rich off right. And then we have the plantation with sugar and sweet and we have banana and banana export and bag of sweet and then we have about a place name. But I like not have a factory and get some things to use. So I take care of brother and send brother my town all over the
Yeah guys, so this is
and then you go buy out search too.
so fine. The third thing guys, we'll never find nothing like this on the channel before. Now we found a old slavery water catchment. We haven't found anything like this before on the channel. So yeah man. Guys, tell me, give me feedback about the quality of this phone, if this actually films better. You know, I'm liking this. This is a large find. Same thing. Yeah guys. Yo, you can't put that past them, you know, because none of them believe in some crazy ritual, you know.
Yeah, but then do it still.
Yeah man, yeah, I say them would do it because they believe in some ritual where we don't believe in it. Them believe it's good luck. Them
yeah, the funny break your blood.
Them say them have blood in them. Yeah, okay. Like seriously, Eldad, if this wasn't private property, this would be a nice place to come pitch one tent and camp out and cook and them thing, you know? Just because of private property. We can't do that.
No, you can't do it, man.
We can't do that? We can't see that on camera. Next thing you see the whole of Jamaica come up here and pitch tent and cook. We don't want that.
No, but I don't want it.
Yeah guys, so once again we show you around. This is really, really nice. This is huge guys. Alright. Yeah guys, so you know the Beckfords, they were actually, as I said, the richest persons as it comes to sugar plantations in Jamaica. However, I think it's Nathaniel Beckford who went back to England, the last son. He go back to England and mess up everything for his family, and so the empire was lost. Yes, so when you all get that pack of sugar with the big B on it, that's from the Beckfords sugar plantation and the Beckford plantation history. That are them empire that them live off of up until this day. Even though them empire the kind of crash, the business still goes on. Alright? And this is something that y'all can research too guys. Alright? Yeah man. So that's one way.
Morning viewers, morning.
Yeah man, he's saying want to say good morning man.
So what's the name?
What's your name?
Name Chidian.
Chidian, you're a footballer?
Yeah man.
What kind of, which way you play? Forward? Where you play? You're goalie, you're forward, you're...
Forward.
You're not forward. You're
yeah,
left
man.
side.
I'm not goalie, I'm forward.
Oh yeah.
Alright, later viewers and subscribers. Subscribe, follow and share this video. Like, give it a thumbs up.
Yeah man, big up. Today we are on our way to the Pembrook and Xall plantations. We're going to go in search of the Pembrook and Xall great houses and the slavery relics that are around on that side. Alright? Trust me, not super cool, you know guys. Information about this plantation will be as we proceed. Alright, so you know, follow me. Yeah guys, so I'll put some thing around here so still. Because you remember coming here already. And this is one of the gate column them look. Oh, it look like one of the Annie Palmer gate column them down Rosa. So we're going on this road. See if we can find the Pembrook Xall plantation great house. Alright, if you enjoy these videos, remember you can subscribe to the channel, it's free of cost. If you're liking this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Alright, yeah man, follow me. Guys, we're at the entrance to the Pembrook Xall plantation. I'm showing on a river right now. That's a beautiful river down there guys. Look still now. Uncle, see if you can get somebody to talk to. Yeah guys, not sure what this is, but this is right here. Around there? Big dog? Eh? Jano, and I'll walk with that walk around there. If the dog them with a back way up. Jano. So like he must have some big dog around there still, so we'll make him go talk to the people them first, and then we proceed. You understand? Alright, so no beer with me. Yeah guys, so we went over there and it's like them say, I know over there the place there. So must say maybe I'll up further up the road. And yeah, we'll walk further up the road and check. Alright. Yeah man, follow me. Yeah peeps, we're still on the way going up the road. Passing a lot of modern plantations. Not seeing the one we're actually looking for. I see one house up on our hill peeps. From an entrance. Then I pass the little and try to climb up on the hill when I go up there. I see one next house in the background and one car over there. So I say like, where them drive go up there? When I go back down and climb go up, I see one next building. That is the original building I see, and it looks to me like a relic of a slave building. But I don't get to go close because when I go up there, my dogs are bark and them thing there. You know, so I'll go further and go see if it's further on. So guys, now I'm showing a piece down there, so let's start with the smaller piece, back up to the larger piece. Alright? Yeah man, I think it's nicer that way there. And tell me if it's nicer that way there. Let me know in the premiere in the comment section down below. Alright? Like part of the house or outer house, but it was part of the yard, I'm sure of that. As we say, in Georgian times, as you know guys, in Georgian times these people had built their houses and then build them kitchen and then bathroom outside. You know, so this could be any one of those outer houses. Alright? So that's some lovely construction right there. Yeah man. So look down here. Brick. That's a piece of wall right here guys. Brick inside of it. Alright, here as if we are standing on another wall because there are bricks here. Yeah. This could be one grave enough in it. And guys, sometimes we really forget that we really have to show reverence at sites like these, because all of these sites that we have been to, lots and lots of persons have actually died on these sites, you know? Yeah man. Beautiful surroundings. Guys, that's another piece of wall. You identify them that way where you can see the two outer wall with the stone them and the inside. You know? So this is a wall running going up. Under the tree going up. Showing the rest of that guys. We have two big piece of column, two big piece of construction over here guys. Not sure what these columns were. That's the wall in there. Coming up. I'm not sure what these columns were, but I'm showing them that to guys. Here's another piece of wall right here. Alright. Going across. Going up here. All the way across here. Back to the corner wall and down. Yeah, guys, so that's the construction right there. To me, guys, it seems like this was actually a water wheel that was right here. As we notice, we have the same pier of construction across there also. I'm going to show you that to you guys, but notice how precise they are in measurement. Same thing across there. I don't know, somebody put one toilet or something here, so up in a days. You know? Not sure if it's a toilet or a well. It could be the entrance for a well to catch water. But yeah, we'll go over on the next side now, guys. And that's it from here. Now I'm gonna put a picture on screen, guys, with a water wheel. How the water wheel is designed, how the larger water wheels are designed, just to give you guys like a knowledge of what we're actually referring to. Alright? So yeah, guys, here's another piece of wood right here. So it seems those constructions down there, it seems that was the house, and up here we actually have a water wheel right here. You know? Can I look out the couch, yes? Yeah, guys, so here's another piece of the construction right here, guys. Yeah, man. That's another piece of the wall right there. So one thing for sure is that we're actually on the Pembrook and Xall plantation. You know, there's a wall right there. So this would be the mouth of the water wheel. You know, this was indeed the water wheel, Kenneth.
Yeah.
No question about it, guys. Hey, peeps, you know, love Alex and Kenneth? Let me know. See, you remember the water wheel I find up a Monkland, guys? Look down inside this one. This is rather huge, you know, peeps. This big, you know, back pack, you know. Yes, man. So, guys, I'm not sure. I know I'm going to closer to there. So, I'm going to try to stretch out that thing here and show it around this. Yeah, guys, so that's up the next side. Yeah, it was a water wheel right here, guys. Very interesting piece of architecture. This interesting. Yeah, man. So I think this would have been, Kenneth.
Yeah.
You know, so I feel like when I say a while ago, I feel like the biggest water wheel is in St. Thomas still, no? Because no, I feel like these are the biggest. Because I see picture of the rest of them, I see locations of them there, and trust me, there is not big like this, even close to this in a St. Thomas. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys, if you know of any water wheel in St. Thomas or water wheel structure in St. Thomas that is larger than this one. Because I think the largest one is supposed to be down at Westmoreland. Out what the place name I tell about? Kennel something another. Kennel something another plantation. So this one is rather huge, guys. This is a water wheel. Yeah, water come down. Yeah. You see up there, Kenneth? How many can see up there? I covered and afraid of heights, you know. Interesting find again, guys. If you enjoy these finds, let me know in the comment section down below. Go, be careful, you know, Kenneth. You never want to catch up on camera. Yeah, man, the water come down through that something there. Up there, so, guys. Yeah, and the water will spin it and it go further down through there, so. So all of them buildings down there so could have just be a water system, you see it? Yeah, guys, so that hole down in there, water actually goes back down through that. But it go down with force, you understand? That's how you create hydroelectricity. So I would love to know where the water wheel, how they move back this water wheel, like the big enough, Kenneth.
Yes, so may I say, when
and the engine house, that the right here, so.
Okay.
This is where the motor.
Back up inside when the water comes.
No man, the water wheel there start turning.
Oh.
The water turn the wheel, and when the wheel turn, the motor in start turn, so it provide electricity for wherever they want it. It's like a motor generator, a water generator. Yeah, guys, this one really interesting things.
So you say about how long this there, sir?
This would have to do the research, but if it's there here, if a part of the Pembrook and Xall plantation, it could have been here for like 370 years, 350 years them time there. However, if it built before, because guys, you know, we need to understand, so the Spanish had built most of these larger constructions, because them mostly did work on the waterway, them and them thing there. So this could have been here over 500 years or 600 years, you know?
The Spanish could have built
the Spanish could have built this, because this could have been built same time when the bridge around the back round this a built. The slave bridge are fine, because them build most of them things. And this rather huge, I don't think it's a slave master build this. I don't think this build with a plantation still. But we have to find out how to do the research, guys. So y'all help me to find out in the comment section down below. Yeah man, this is a really interesting find. And guys, you know what going on now? Every day, Kenneth, we come around and find something. We find something we'll find for the first time. I know the first time I find a water wheel still, but the first time I find such a large water wheel structure.
They're still intact.
We're still intact at that. Yeah, still intact. The structures are still intact. I just that the metal. I don't know where the metal gone. You know? All of the metal removed feet. You know they're good to come with metal detector. Yeah guys, so Kenneth come back across the gully now. Let me show you up here still. Who that? None of the connections. Yeah man, them things where I look on. Them structure, yeah. The old slavery structure, them on. Huh? Wait there. How me I do, man? It's a historical video me I make, educational video. Yeah, man. Bless up, bless up. I understand the thing, man, is it? Yeah, guys, so those were farmers. Then just a check to see who down here and what we are doing. Them say what the structure them do. Yeah, but I like that still. Persons are check to see who in them community. Come across. Hopefully we can get a chance to talk to them too. Kenneth, careful enough. Yeah, wait, run out, but I want the lower than the one up here, so I have to lower, because this is the exit. Kenneth, forward no one. Yeah, come across first, then we'll talk about that. Yeah, man, rest about the board now.
I want to see the board has something to do with it.
What that brick?
I see the board on it.
Yeah, man, I see the board. Yeah, guys, so that's the water wheel structures, guys. Really, really huge. You know, could have been the largest water wheel in St. Thomas. So, guys, we'll see if we can get a chance to talk to these men and see if they know nothing about the structures. Alright? Yeah, man, you come with me. Yeah, because that's supposed to be there before slavery, built by the Spanish.
Yeah, it's a way. You see that? When the water comes in, when you hear the water get up and that, if you realize how little tiny it
Well, yes.
It never full.
Never full.
No, because
it always flush.
Always flush.
Okay, the sunlight kind of bad, but I catch a better angle.
So you
work on the farm.
You work on the farm?
Okay. Well, we just try to highlight the history of the parish. And
people never know so that's something that they assisting.
Yeah, I understand that. Because we have a whole map. We have a 1804 map, you know, but the trick we a while ago because we're going way up the road, you know. Because we're house up on hill up there, so.
Yeah.
Oh, well, we never get to see it. I climb up on the bank inside, but I go up them here, dog, and it look like somebody live up there, because I saw a pro box park in the yard. Yeah. So I just come back down. Eh? On the cemetery? You can see the grave them over there? Right, alright, we'll go over there and we'll finish right here, so. But that was a very interesting find on there, so that's a water wheel. It could have been built by the Spanish. The same set of people who build the bridge. The Nuts River Bridge, the dam bridge. You understand? Because of them really do the water work in the parish, you understand? Yeah, man, so I think it had before slavery. But I give thanks to the little info still. What I name? Moore, Mr. Moore. Alright, people, no shout out Mr. Moore in the comment section down below. Yeah, man. So, blessings, family.
Yeah, man. Rasta respect here.
Blessings. Give thanks, man. Younger generation of know what it go on, man, is it? So the property are owned by John William X, you know. Him own Pembrook and him own Xall. And him own a Pembrook and St. Mary. Yes. You see me? But that man born as a slave, you know. His mother was a slave, you know. His father named John William X the first. Them come from Barton, London. So because him breed him mother and get him now, you know, so him left the plantation to him. So he own 3 plantation. And the father go back abroad, is it? Yeah, man.
So where place in England name Bart?
Bart.
So we have
them name Bart out here, right?
Okay.
Because it have a long name, you know. It name Bart of the Apostle Simon something another. You can look it up. You see me? Yeah, man. It have a the one all the Bart you have to see him so it name a long name. The Bart of the Apostle something another. One long name. But I'm just a Bart.
Well, let me see a good still for learn, you know, because I will never know.
For real, man. So that around this, that could have been around this all 600 years. But we are going to do the research, and if you watch the channel, you can get the info. We are telling you how long it is. Yes, man. Elite Jamaica.
Alright.
You understand? Blessings.
One blessing.
Yeah, man. Kenneth, we are looking on Cemetery Crossroad here. Right this up.
Right this up. But I mean, and this man, me realize it too.
Alright, well, we are looking on it. We are check it out.
You don't rum? No, you don't need rum. You want rum?
Hmm? Now them do mal them.
Yeah, man.
And them in a hole.
Yeah.
Now then, take out the body them.
No, man, they can't take them out.
I must say something, because this is a hole, that's a hole.
Yeah, but I'm too many years, somebody got some clothes and something to do upon them.
But why somebody do that dig? This is a hole, that's you know. After the next hole, that's you know.
You know, them place are big here, man. The clothes should go.
Okay.
It's already.
Yeah.
You have a big pipe down the cross, so you don't know how big it is.
But cross the road.
Yeah, man, go cross the road, so long time, so we take it for ourselves.
So you dive on that and go over there?
Up and go.
Okay. Reservoir.
So this been years, man. You don't know when this built.
Okay. This been long time, because see all the metal.
Yeah, man, a long time. And then we put this pan about this a whole time something.
And then we put that pan there. Yeah, so that means that it's there a long time then.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
You know, it's all this is a chlorine. The water. And there's no chlorine from the water. And I get it all over.
Yeah, guys, just to inform you that our phone numbers were changed because my phone had this number in the phone, and then like I couldn't find the other chip to verify back the original number, so I had to change to this number. That's the number you're seeing on screen, guys. Alright? Yeah, man. Guys, just to let you know that we really do appreciate the support. Really appreciate you watching these videos, guys. But as I say, now it's 65.9% of you who are not subscribed to the channel. So if you haven't subscribed as yet and you enjoy this content, please subscribe to the channel, as that really do help the channel. Yeah, peeps, so today we are going on a treasure hunt. Yeah, man, so can it there? Up the metal detector. Yeah, man, we are looking for gold. Yeah, silver, diamond, copper, anything.
straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
We'll follow the farmer direction, but we don't see nothing so far. If you know how to find something, if you know how to find the building, or if you know how to find something with a metal detector, subscribe to the channel, click the red subscribe button. And if you have already done so, give the video a thumbs up. And remember to share the video, guys, alright? Yeah, man. I'm up on my way. Can't climb.
You can't climb either.
If I climb, if I go up there, I can't come down.
It's an easy spot that. You come down. Man can't climb in a shoot.
I don't know. Depends on what you can do.
Hey yo! Yeah.
Try again. Try again. That's right, Julie.
One hour later.
That's a nice little part of nature, peeps. There's a road. That's what make one. I want to make them sound in our bush. Yeah, peeps, so we're kind of spread out now. My uncle is some over there, so cross the free over there, so I'm over there, so look. See if we can find, because we hear about our next building, you know. And I try to see if we can find. Because it was the second building we finish the search, so they find the tower and the next building down in the gully. So we'll see if we can find that one there. This all we have find we left. We see some down there, so one wall running straight going along. But no, it damaged. And yeah, reach down at the building and see if we can find it. No. Yeah, man. I go up and seen the towers yet. It's the tower. I'm showing the tower. This is the tower that we found in one of our first videos up to Needham Pen. Come on. Is that tree name, Kenneth?
Prickle Allah.
Prickle Allah. You joke ya? Peeps, type Prickle Allah in the comment section down below. So the tree name. Yo! Yo!
Find the place, you know.
Huh? You find it? How is it?
You like this?
Like this? So you say you find it?
Yeah?
Are you fine back yourself?
We can't do this and come back?
Yeah?
We can't do that one day and come back?
No man, we are there, sir. What next one down there, sir?
I'm so far, yo. It's a nice thing to do the far one. Take a break and only rest or so.
Oh.
It is.
Here. I want one pocket. I'm gonna find a piece or something. A piece of zinc.
Oh.
Tell him something.
Did this make it big? No, sir.
Oh, that make it big, but that's one over that.
Oh, jeez.
One more. Batch that. So one more here. What are you sitting here? Can I catch him? Peeps, had them thing you will find. I don't know what they know. I don't know they don't make it big. So, small one. And next one. Sitting there, so you know. Yeah.
The mother. What's the Kenneth? I look for sitting where you know, pull on. You know.
Oh, they right here, so. Anything over there, so they underneath ground fire, you know. Anytime the thing go off. So what could have these be? Peeps. Peeps, what could this be right here? This right here, a piece of tree. And me not see nothing else, so this seems like something that deep down in the ground. Why make this go off? Anyway, we'll find it. This our cause all of the commotion. The big nail. At the midst of my searching, peeps, my uncle just tell me saying find one next slavery building down on the side, so I don't know where we go. Alright, yeah man, we'll have to document that. So it seems to be a church, so we'll see. Yeah man, you follow me. We'll find some nail and some metal so far, but we're still searching. Yeah, peeps, so we'll finally find our next building, we'll find our unknown slavery building, so we'll have a look on it. Now follow me. Hold on there, piece of wall inside of that. Yeah, peeps, we searched for that one the other day. We searched for it all over. And we never did find it. You see me? It's unknown. We don't know the name, we don't know the owner. But anyway, we'll get it documented. Hopefully we can get some information about this site. Alright? Yeah, man. So, I'm showing you around the site, no? The place is precarious one way. So you notice that there's a step I go down in my building. Then you have a window right there. Cannot lead the way, see? Yeah, peeps. There's piece right there. Hold on. Hold on. You have a little window right there. This was indeed a house, guys. Yeah, man, this looks to me like a chapel. As my uncle said, this looked like a church, and it really, really looked like a church. You know? Yeah, guys, so if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, just take this time out to do so. If you haven't yet liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like video like these, subscribe to the channel, because we always be making video like these. Yeah, guys, this is the other wall of the house. Coming around to the side. I'll string time up, peeps. When you search, you look close to the edge of the wall, them place the most of things you will find things. The most protected places. So this place really looks like a church. Guys, this is more interesting than the metal detecting video. I swear, finding this. I wish I could have bring this with me on my yard. Just the archer. Them take out the brick them out of the archer. Next side. Really looks like a church. Don't guys, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're watching on the premiere, type premiere in the comment section in the chat. And if you're watching on the video, type video in the comment section down below. Alright. Yeah, guys, that's another part of the building. Find something? Hello, copper. No. Right, this one. Put it on the ground.
Yeah.
Goal for man.
Life is the next meal. Guys, so this is a big building. Yeah, man. You kind of see like this one pathway to go down in there. So this is one of the walls right here. Running across. Another wall right there. This is the inside. This is something. Oh, stone come out there, so. Oh, we are big, you know. Oh, we are big. Really big, guys. Careful of hole here, can it? Another piece right there. That's another piece. This is from the other side, guys. So not long, sir. Yeah, guys, so we came treasure hunting and this is what we found. Rather big building. Great. And this seems to have been a house, guys. Not a work yard. We're not really sure who this had belonged to or anything like that. Because we don't have no history and information about this building. So how up there, sir? How do up there, sir? No, man, up further. So, now you say you walk. Forward, man. Time. Peeps, me reach back up here, sir. In another building here. And my uncle there way down, sir. Yo! You know hear that, peeps? Far him there. And me alone there up here, so now. And honestly, me not telling you, so me not really know my way to reach back up my road, but I know say road, they up, sir. So up there me I go. Gonna help me, gonna pray for me. See him thing all I got the wrong way already. Alright, to go through here, so. Honestly, guys, at the first, I really know one of them buildings I feel scared. Like, seriously. Just feel a different kind of energy. So, did I hear so I dig earlier? Yeah, guys. That's the hole right there. Yeah, that's well. Yeah, that's the energy I'm looking for. Alright, remember the maca tree, yeah? Oh yeah. Yeah guys. See tower peeps. Reach up a flat.